Assalamu alaikum everyone. We are bringing a piece of happy news to all the Muslim brothers and sisters in Manipur that the United Manipuri Muslim Cultural and Literary Committee, in collaboration with the Islamic Dawah Artists Association, is going to organize a 3-day state-level workshop-cum-seminar on Islamic culture to be held on 19th, 20th and 21st of February 2021 at the premises of Open Ground of Madrasa Mazharul Ulum Mayang Imphal, Bengal. As a part of the 3 days program, estimable renowned Islamic singers and writers will be awarded as a recognition for their contribution to the Muslim society. On the second day, for the first time in Manipur, a book entitled Islami Surgilachal Bhuluman, an anthology of creative writing on Islamic songs and poems, will also be released. The resource persons who are being invited to deliver their speeches are Mufti Siraz Ahmad Kasmi on the topic Virtues of Faith and its Safeguards, Mufti Rahimuddin on the topic Virtues of Darut, Hamd and Naat, Dr. Rahizuddin Sheikh, Quran and Science, Azad Komal on the topic Art and Islam, Poetry, Mufti Ataur Rahman on the topic Right and Duties of Neighbor and Family Members in Islam, Mufti Abdul Halil on the topic Education and Good Character in Islam, SM Sheikh, The Origins of Manipuri Muslims and a Unique Culture, Tez Khan on the topic The Art of Writing Islamic Songs and the Problem Faced by the Islamic Writers and Singers. On the third day, an open quiz competition will be held openly to all the participants, the question of which will be based on the speeches delivered by the resource person. We shall have the grand opportunity to witness the heavenly voices of the Islamic singers in the cultural season. Every one of you are being invited to join the rare occasion and to extend support in the initiative being taken to promote our culture. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.